What are the steps to install DAZN on Firestick for free?
In this tutorial, we are going to walk through the steps to install DAZN on your Amazon Firestick. By the end, you'll be all set to enjoy a wide array of sports content at your convenience. Note: while the app itself can be downloaded for free, DAZN is a subscription-based service and may require a paid subscription to access its content.
How to get started?
The first step to install DAZN on Firestick is to ensure that your Firestick is properly set up and connected to a stable internet connection. Navigate to the home screen of your Firestick device.
How to find DAZN in the Amazon store?
From the home screen of your Firestick device, use your remote to navigate to the search icon located in the top left corner of the screen. Now, type DAZN into the search bar and select it from the drop-down list. The DAZN app should appear as a result on your screen.
How to install DAZN?
With the DAZN app on your screen, click on the Get or Download button. The app will start downloading and then automatically install onto your Firestick device.
How to access DAZN?
Once the DAZN app is installed, you can access it from your Firestick's home screen. Navigate to Your Apps and Channels, and you should find DAZN listed there. To open the app, select DAZN and click on it. The DAZN app will then launch, prompting you to sign in or create a new account if you don't have one yet. Note: while creating an account is free, accessing the content on DAZN may require a subscription. And there you have it. Now you know how to install DAZN on your Firestick device for free. Please keep in mind that while the app is free to download and install, a subscription may be required to enjoy its content. Enjoy your favorite sports with DAZN and make the most out of your Firestick device.